happens when you combine an intriguing love story and an adventure? Well, you'll find out in this week's pick. It's hard to imagine marrying someone you've never met before, even more marrying someone who's about to die. Well, Coley manages to make do until she's abandoned in the foreign city of Verandadav, where she meets a handsome young man named Ranji. Coley has taught me when even on your own you can learn to be independent and strong-willed by surrounding yourself with things you love to do. The Homeless Bird is a fast-paced book with a great ending. My favorite part was how Wayland added a cute love story to an intriguing adventure. Any reader hoping to find a uniquely inspiring novel will fall in love with Wayland's Homeless Bird.